Let's do this today. So in today's video, we're going to be learning how to make a very simple sauce for your rice, um, or for any other thing you want to combine it with. So let's get started. So for this sauce, I have chopped green peas, green carrots, and green pepper. Okay, and I have them. I have onions. I have. You can see the amount I have, the quantity of carrots and green peas I have, and I've also chopped that green pepper. Is now inclusive here. Now see my onions, see my, this is my flour. This is the amount of flour I'll be using. I'll be pouring it into this cup and then putting water, dissolving it with water. Okay, so I'll dissolve this flour with water. It depends on the quantity of food you're actually cooking with. Then once I dissolve it with water, I keep it aside. Make sure that it doesn't have lumps. Okay, so it's very simple. So what I'm going to do is now to open my Maggi or my nut cubes, whatever you want to use. I'll put crayfish also. Then I would also advise that for this sauce you have small chopped livers, just like you chopped and diced your carrots and green peas. You have your liver diced as well. Okay, but because I don't have a liver right now, I'll be going ahead to just use ordinary beef for this. So you can see the amount of salt I added to this. Just add salt to your taste. Okay, so and I'll be using curry as well. Now in a pot, I'll be adding my oil, the oil I used to fry my meat. So I just added it a bit, allowed it to cook a bit, then and added my onions. Just watch as I add all the ingredients. I stir it a bit. Nothing hard in making this sauce. It's something that you can enjoy with your family. I went ahead to add my nut stock. Okay, my nut cubes. Stirred it as well. Then every other thing that I added, but your salt, practically everything. I also have grinded pepper on one side. Okay, I didn't show it, but I have it. I'm going to show you when I'm adding it as well. So I added a bit of water. Now I will add a little bit of curry. Add all these ingredients to your taste, and you can see the quantity I'm cooking, so you can actually vary your quantity as well. I just want to cook a little that I'll be eating. Okay, so when this is all done, I'll just come in with my diced green peas, carrot, and green pepper. At this point, if you have your liver, also go ahead and add it. Now I will also advise that if you're adding liver, you fry it a bit, okay, before adding it. But some people also prefer the liver not fried, so whatever is your preference, actually go for it. Okay, so while it's frying, I will now bring my flour and then pour it in. This flour acts as a thickener. Okay, so you can add the water that you are sure, or the quantity of water that you want, then add your flour. Okay, you can see that the sauce is very easy and it's very sweet. Once you add your everything to your taste, you add your flour. The flour will act as a thickener. It will thicken the sauce. In fact, once I've added this flour now, the texture of the stew changes. I even have to add more water to reduce the texture a bit. I hope this is clear, but it's very simple. So this is me going in with my blended pepper. Okay, pepper to your taste, and then I'll stir it a bit. And that's practically all for this sauce. All you have to do now is to cover it to cook a bit. Don't overcook it because everything is already ready inside of it. So don't overcook it because of the fresh veggies you have inside the sauce. So, and that's it. That's all for the sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead and serve it.